Ever dreamed of launching your own website or web application from the ground up? First, we're going to open the terminal. Your command center for this operation will start with the fundamental tool, Apache. To serve your web pages, then we need PHP, the scripting language, and a database, MySQL. To store your website data first, we will execute a single all-encompassing command, ensuring we install all necessary software using the app package manager. This ensures that everything gets installed and kept up to date correctly. Next, we'll install Apache and give it a moment to complete its task. Now, we need to install PHP with a crucial module that allows PHP scripts to seamlessly interact with Apache. After this install MySQL. This step will install both the MySQL server and its command line client, which is essential to store and manage your site's data. With PHP installed, it is time to make some configuration. Start by navigating to the directory where the core PHP configuration file sits. After that, locate and modify the configuration file. Look for the line that begins with extension equals MySQL. Remove the semicolon at the beginning of this line. Save your updated file. Now, dive into your web server's root directory, usually /var/www/html/. This is where your website files reside. Inside that create PHP file will host and display hello world. To confirm Apache and PHP have been set up correctly, use your favorite text editor to create an index file containing a simple PHP script to echo the message by typing a small amount of code into the file. Open up a web browser and input localhost or your server's IP address. If you see the hello world message, congratulations! You've successfully set up your web server, and now you are fully equipped to deploy and develop your PHP projects on Ubuntu.